Now I've shared my lunch with you because I'm a proper gentleman.
Which you didn't, but yeah.
But they don't know that. And we're going to head across this field and pray we're going the right way.
Well, we know we're going the right way now, don't we?
Only because we saw 2 other people on bikes, but we'll leave that bit out as well, so it doesn't sound as dramatic. We're going the way that we don't know that we're going. We just saw some other bikers come from that told us that that's the way to go.
And they said it's quite good down there as well, didn't they? So, well.
You're going to spoil the entire video.
All right, okay. Well then, just get a move on then. Let's go. Well, where's my gloves?
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah. No. So it's now stumbling. It's now turning into a little bit of another Green Lane adventure, then, isn't it? By the looks of it.
I have no idea what you just said. Well, was it good?
It looks like this is now turning into a Green Lane adventure.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks to me.
So,
Good find. It's about time you come up with some good ideas.
Yeah, we always lack there, don't we?
yeah.
It's like going to the same place over and over again. Right, let's go.
Alright.
Oh shit, there's a rut down here. Let's go up here.
Be interested to see what my off-road tyres ride like. I'm looking forward to getting those on.
I was going to say, you realise you haven't put them on yet, right?
Yeah, I know.
Looking forward to this. Oh no, I haven't put them on yet.
No, well, yeah, I wish they were on now, but...
I'm liking a little, like, dip.
Yeah, I am. Hold up. Oh, I'm in the rut. I don't want to be in here.
No, I'm getting out of it. Yes. Whoa, whoa! That's a bit all over the place.
What was?
My bike.
Oh, flipping
Whoa!
heck. Considering how dry this is, I'm wobbling about quite a bit.
Not dry though, is it? It's been raining the last few days and this morning.
It's not wet, is it? It's not like in the winter.
You got to make it sound a little bit more bad than it is.
Whoa!
See?
That was a bit of a slide. I thought I was coming off then.
See, make it sound more dramatic like that. It's better for the viewers.
That was I nearly let go.
Did you? What, like a bit of poo come out?
Yeah, very nearly let go of the bike.
I'm really tired now. Can we stop for a break? You got any tea making facilities?
No, there's only one person that brings those. And he's not here.
Do you remember that? That was an awesome day.
Yeah, it was.
Nice cup of tea. I enjoyed that.
Right, this does look quite good up here actually.
Yeah, I'm done. Let's go home.
No, come on. This is good practice.
Thanks.
You could have passed the gate back.
Sorry. Practicing for our trip.
Dipstick.
Oh, sorry. I do apologise. I meant to stop.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Right. Through the mud.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm more thinking about my chain, really.
What about it?
Dragging on this massive thing.
I'm going to try this over this side. Oh, I can't get into it.
Are you done yet?
No, I'm stuck.
Are you really?
Oh, here we go, I'm off.
Are you off?
Yeah.
Oh, I was just about to rescue you yet again.
Yeah, this wasn't a good idea.
You just see you in my mirror, and you look literally like a boat going through the sea.
Woo!
Yeah, that was a bad choice coming into this rut.
I'm getting quite warm, I know that.
Yeah, I'm getting a sweat on already as well. There's another gate here.
Bit of fallen tree.
I passed the gate back to you that time. I'll check up what's up here. It's alright, this is.
This is alright. I like this.
I like this. Can we stop for a bit more food?
We haven't got any more food, or have you got another pack up? Another secret pack up you're not telling anybody about.
Well, I just wanted to see if you were a kind-hearted, nice, sharing person. So
How are you?
show everybody.
I always share my sandwiches with you, but I'm getting fed up with it.
Oh. I'll share it with you.
Yeah, only if you admit to the fact.
Oh, in the
you've
ditch.
got one.
In the ditch.
Come on, big boy! I am literally touching everything. This is not how to off-road, by the way.
No, this is...
It's comfortable though, because I'm sick of standing up to look cool.
Yeah, these ruts are quite deep, aren't they?
Just a bit. Might go for the one in the middle now.
Yeah, followed you.
This got to admit, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Whoa! Do you know what I could generally do with now?
A pint.
A pint and a pie.
Yeah.
You know, steak and ale pie with a bit of ale.
Be nice.
Yeah. What's your favourite ale?
Well, finger, of course.
Exactly. A bishop's finger, a good old bishop's fingering, and a nice bit of steak and ale pie.
Yeah, it's nice. We should be concentrating on actually riding down this bit of Green Lane rather than our stomach soak.
All right. You know, on our adventure coming up,
Yeah.
I'm going to take some sausages for the first night for everybody.
You're going to give somebody a sausage?
I'm going to give someone a proper sausage in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the sausages and the rolls and a few beers, not many because I'll drink most of them myself.
Yeah.
I might give you one, but you're going to do all the cooking, so I'm going to call you chef.
Okay. Well, I've got the equipment, so.
Oh, you got equipment.
I've got the equipment.
Oh, look, I've got to open this gate again. Should have made you go first.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm just having a moment. You all right?
That's nice up here, isn't it?
That's what I meant. I'm taking in the view.
Good views.
I can't get to this. There we go. Oh, this could be a moment again. Oh. More, mate. We found a bit more. We found a nice little bit of road that goes to a posh farm. But this goes off to the side.
Yeah, so we had a quick look on Google Maps, turned the wrong way when we came off that green lane, and then we found another green lane. So
Life is good.
this is green lane bonus.
Like bonus level on like a game.
Yeah,
Is there going to be a big fat person at the end who's going to try and fight us for like the big boss?
might be. But from having no plan of what we're doing, it's actually turning into a little bit of a unplanned green lane adventure.
I'm going to go in the rut. Yeah, I'm in the rut. Yeah, no, it is. It's good, isn't it?
You've done well today, mate.
Sorry, can you say that again?
You've done well.
Have you had any alcohol or anything?
No, not today, not yet.
Oh, mate, thank you. Anyway,
That's right.
moving on to hating each other. This way.
Oh, look, it's getting
A bit ropey.
something
If
else.
I follow your line, the minute you come off, I should hopefully be able to stop in time. That's the plan.
You'll run over me, you mean? Bit muddy.
I'll dive in and I'll rescue you. Whoa! As always.
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Whoa! Did you see that?
I did see that, yeah.
Woo! A bit of poo just come out.
Dude, we started to bring in some toilet roll for you, you know.
I think you're right. Ugh.
Now, do
Oh,
you
right.
still think that you are the most off-road person out on a Vespa? On a standard Vespa, we should say, to make
Gotta
it fair.
Ugh. Gotta be, surely.
Whoa, you
Oh.
braked, so I had to brake. You do know once you've turned yours into an off-roading king,
Yeah.
you're going to lose that title.
Yeah, well, I'm still going to be surely the most off-roading Vespa, or one of the most off-roading. Got to be up there in the top 5.
Yeah.
Well, look, we're going to overtake these boys on the bikes. I wonder what's
Well,
happened here.
could be better.
Have they lost something?
Dunno.
Right.
Lost a drone. That's what that's what proper off-road bikers do, isn't it? They come out, ride the bikes out, and they have a bit of a walk around the field, like the chickens.
So I'm right then. They buy these gnarly off-road bikes with the tyres on.
Yeah.
They all go in a big pack and they walk around a field of hay.
Yeah, have you not seen them do it before? I've seen loads of them doing it.
Yeah, is that like a thing?
It's like a ritual that they do when they're. It's like getting blessed by the off-roading gods. That is.
Okay, I've got one that we should do that I think might be a bit more us.
Right.
Just drink beer somewhere.
Yeah,
Like a
that
ritual.
sounds...
See, yeah, I like the sound of that one. The one that they're doing, I'm not keen on being in their gang, to be honest.
Is that like they're seeing for good sites to take people?
Yeah.
Well, we just went through the village of Ickleton. If anyone is interested in doing what we've just done, there's about, I don't know, what's that, 6-7 houses for a whole village?
Yeah, nice big houses, a bit posh. Very nice, yeah.
I reckon we should move here, mate. So anyway, that's our little treat. We're doing this, I don't know what the time is now, who cares? I think we should do what we secondly love to do in the world.
Yeah,
Go and get a pint.
definitely.
Cool, you're buying. Let's go. Well, there you go. Another excellent, exciting ride. And what a cool day it's been. But as always, we save the best till last. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the montage.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale.
Well, there you go. Absolutely pointless. No real story to it whatsoever. But what an absolute giggle. And I went down a road that I've driven by so many times and gone, where does that go? And reality, across some fields to some bit gnarly and also really cool off-roading. And do you know what? How nice was it to get to ride with the sidekick again? The good old Vespa and the monkey bike, hand in hand, conquering those roads that many people don't go out and do. And do you know what? It's an absolute giggle. So next time you go past a road that you go, I wonder what's down there, go and check it out. Anyway, I want to say a massive thank you to my patrons. These are the guys that help support this channel. It's absolutely awesome to see them every single month popping up, as you'll see at the end, their names. It's just really cool. These guys are just fantastic. So thank you so much for becoming a patron. If you're interested in getting to see the videos first, getting your names in the credits and becoming part of the exclusive patron team, then please check out the link in the description. It's from £1 a month or as much as you're willing to be able to support the channel by, and you get to see these things first. So thank you so much, guys and girls. Also, we have a merchandise shop where you can buy some of the most awesomest t-shirts in the world, hoodies, water bottle that is my go-to everyday water bottle, the helmet head mug that I'm still proud to pour water in that turns into wine, not guaranteed proven in any way, but it does make everything taste 1,000,000 times better. Again, not proven, but even that's available on the merchandise shop. There is a link down in the description for that as well. And of course, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to this absolute nutty channel where we have probably the most best fun that you could possibly have in the YouTube world, then please hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a cool, funny comment, because I really do appreciate receiving them. Anyway, that is pretty much it for this episode. That we are pretty much done. And of course, we live by 3 things on this channel, the most important things in life, the gospel of life, and that is eat pie ride motorcycles, and be happy. I will see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.